Good morning, children. Hope you are fine. You are doing well. You are taking your work seriously. Now, I welcome you to our first lesson of the day, that is numeracy. We want to start dealing with time. We've been dealing with it on Monday, and yesterday we did time, that is quarter past. On Monday we did analog, writing the time in analog, that is in words. Yesterday you did about writing the time, that is quarter past, in numbers. Now today's lesson we are going to deal with reading and writing time in analog and digital, that is for quarter past. Now, we remind ourselves, when do we say that the time is quarter past? We said when it is quarter past, the long hand points at 3 and the short hand points just after, immediately after a number. Now, for example, here we have our clock. The long hand, that is the minute hand, is pointing at 3 and the short hand is pointing immediately after 5. So we are supposed to write this time in analog and also in digital. We said when we write the time in analog and digital, that is analog, it's in words, and digital is in numbers. Now, we go to our lesson. We write the time shown on the clock in analog and also in digital. This is the time shown. The long hand is pointing at 3 and the short hand is pointing just immediately after 5. That way. So, the analog time, it is quarter past. The short hand has passed 5. Then the digital time, we are writing it in numbers. We are writing the digital time in numbers. So we have to know how many minutes are they. We said this is 60 or 0. So we start from here: 0, 5, 10, 15. So it means quarter past, it is 15 minutes. So now the short hand has just passed 5. So the time in digital will be 5:15. That is the time in digital. Now we do more examples. The first example, the long hand is pointing at 3. And the short hand has just passed 11. So you are supposed to write this time in analog, which is in words. And when it is analog, we should say the time is quarter past 11. And in digital, since it is 15 minutes, we say it is 11:15. That is the time in digital. Now we move to the second example. The short hand is pointing just after 7 and the long hand is at 3. So the time in analog will be quarter past. The short hand has just passed 7, so it is quarter past 7. And the digital time will be 7:15. The third example, short hand just after 5, so the time will be quarter past 5. And in digital, it will be 5:15. That is the time. Then, the fourth and our last example, the time in analog is quarter past 3. And in digital, it will be 3:15. That is the time Now, we are done with the examples. I hope you've understood. Now, the next one is an exercise where you are supposed to write the time shown in analog and also digital. Remember, we are dealing with quarter past. So you write the time, quarter past, you read the clock, then you write the time in analog, which is in words, and also in digital, which is in numbers. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson. Finish your work, do nice work, and enjoy. Stay safe at home. Goodbye.